Like most travel agency owners, you work to make your company bigger and more profitable, right? You make a sale, collect commission, put a markup or charge a fee to make your revenue. You pay your bills, pay all your expenses, and if all goes well, you also make a profit. Why has it become so hard these days? Actually, it's not. Not if you have the power of Uniglobe Travel behind you. What exactly is Uniglobe Travel? We are a network of family-owned travel businesses in India and around the world. We are awarded as the most preferred operator for business travel by CNBC Awaaz. We work together for growth, recognition, accessing new technology at shared costs. If you are a growth and success-oriented agency owner, now would be a great time to evaluate the Uniglobe Success System. It's built for people like you, with a structure that makes sense in today's competitive travel industry. Our structure is based on a hub and spoke model. The central hub is Uniglobe International, based in Vancouver, Canada. From there, we have several regional hubs, of which Uniglobe India is one. We customize the Uniglobe support system to local requirements and then provide the system to agency owners. The third hub is you in this powerful structure. Agency owners like yourself who provide the services to their clients. It's this unique structure that gives you access to the buying power and resources of a large global network while retaining the independence so you can take care of your business. With presence in over 60 countries and over 49 locations across India, Uniglobe is the world's largest single-brand travel network. By adding the Uniglobe brand to yours, you gain business power at two distinct levels: sales power and buying power. Sales power gives you big player credentials to compete with big players, the OTAs and even the airlines. Our buying power brings you better than market deals and helps share costs for technology, marketing and advertising. We focus on your profitability. Every day we spend 100% of our resources in helping you build a profitable company. How? We help you increase your corporate and leisure sales. We help you earn more on your existing and new business. We help you control and minimize your cost of doing business. Simply put, we help you to sell more, earn more, and spend less. With Uniglobe, you will find a proven collection of programs, technologies, systems, tools, education, and consulting expertise that are required to help you make more money. Earn industry-leading incentives and grow your bottom-line revenue. Incentives and supplier benefits are readily available to any sized Uniglobe member who wants to grow. Training, sharing of targets, and use of our business support tools enables you to achieve higher profitability. By helping you to focus purchases whenever possible toward a few key suppliers, we are able to build volume that earns maximum revenue and provides exclusive benefits. These could be preferred rates, PLBs, commissions, advance notice on special offers, extra inclusions for clients, and even waivers or favors. We give you extensive tools to sell travel services to fast-growing small to medium-sized enterprises and value-conscious leisure travelers in your market. Save time, energy, and money through professionally designed leading-edge advertising, direct sales support, and web services to drive SME account acquisition. Unique, attractive promotions and sales tools help accelerate your leisure sales. Our Leisure Sales Support Program combines a powerful lead generation system with frontline agent sales support to help ensure every inquiry becomes a sale and more revenue for you. Generate high-quality leisure sales inquiries through trackable promotional emails sent by you to your clients and prospects. The key to attracting and keeping your clients is targeted promotions done with consistency and frequency. This program makes it fast and easy for you to stay on your client's mind, so they contact you when they start thinking travel. With easy access to the internet and consumer travel reviews, customers are likely to come to you armed with knowledge about your company and product offerings, as well as those of your nearest competitors. Your people need to be smart and well-informed. There's no way around it. We offer a rich training and education curriculum to ensure your staff can close more sales from customers. Staff excellence is acknowledged at a regional level through our high-profile awards program, helping you to retain and recruit top talent for your business. We enhance your big player credibility through your Uniglobe affiliation with targeted ads designed to position you as successful, progressive, and competitive. These ads highlight the business travel services that you provide, and they appear in places where business travelers will see them. They help pre-sell your excellence and form a strong foundation for your direct sales initiatives. An online inquiry referral system and a corporate sales development program also support your local client acquisition efforts. Demonstrate your capabilities better with professionally designed sales materials, including presentations, brochures, flyers, newsletters, RFP response templates. You also have your own customizable, easy-to-use, content-rich website that rivals even the largest online agency competitors. It comes complete with an air and hotel booking engine, hundreds of leisure product listings, travel blogs, videos, and the capacity to add more. Whether it be sharing best practices, new ideas, help in solving challenges from someone who's been there before, or assistance to acquire that account, with Uniglobe, you are in business for yourself, but not by yourself. To help drive your agency's success, you receive business consultation from our in-house subject experts, from sales and marketing to business administration, finance, and supplier relations. A powerful addition of talent and knowledge to your team with no recruiting involved. With multiple sources of booking information and sometimes hundreds of emails and SMSs waiting in queue, it's no surprise that agents struggle to keep response times up. In a world where information is at your consumer's fingertips, speed of response is vital to maintain your reputation as a fast and efficient service provider. But how can you achieve it? Easy. The right tools help you achieve this. Our right tool called OneSource helps you deliver exceptional customer service by reducing per transaction processing time to as little as 5 minutes from an average of 15 to 20 minutes. But that's not all. Your staff will absolutely love this tool because it aggregates all distribution channels such as the GDS, individual domestic LCC sites, consolidator, leisure suppliers, and functionality such as traveler profiling into one screen. With a few keystrokes, your agents can search multiple sources including the GDS, LCC Airlines, Uniglobe network partners, consolidators, and sources like Misty Fly. Your staff can select the relevant quote and email it to your clients in a professional template. The customer selects the option, and his travel profile information is also available to complete the booking. Our tool sources ancillary travel products like hotel, car, or rail, allowing you to effectively cross-sell and enhance your revenue even further. The itinerary and invoice is then generated and sent to your customer. It's that simple. Error-free transactions, huge productivity gains, and extra client services are just a few of the benefits of our quality control tool. By checking every PNR, it not only reduces the risk of debit memos, it actually adds services that your clients will love, such as Fare Finder, Seat Finder, automated email invoice, and waitlist clearance. Add file finishing and auto-ticketing modules to the list, and yes, the paperless travel agency office is possible. The trend is clear. Consumers are increasingly researching and buying through the internet. How can you compete when providing online services is a time-consuming and costly process? Easy again. Enhance your web presence and offer the best of both online and agent-supported options with our internet booking tool. Your customers can research their own flights and use a pre-stored credit line to make bookings. You've probably experienced horror stories about delayed client payments. Usually, the reasons are the same: bill not received, approval pending, etc. Can you prevent this? Absolutely. With our automated pre-trip authorization tool, you can secure approvals before travel documents are issued, thereby collecting faster and reducing your credit period. This is one of several ways available to help you manage your credit cost better. The Uniglobe Travel family is growing. Times are certainly changing, but it doesn't have to be so hard. If you are interested in growing your business and operating an incredibly successful travel agency, then the Uniglobe Travel System is the way forward. Contact us now to understand more and create a win-win relationship. No pressure. Let's talk.